Guys, the video on the angle kit from SLR that no one talks about. It's all you see is tubular arms, stuff they buy from the website, bolts right on. That's great, that's perfect. The route I went. Budget kit. Weld on arms. Same old SLR block or knuckle adapter. Extended SLR tie rod spacers or adapters. This is style 32s, 17 by 8 ET20, two 1540 Federal eBay boys. Okay. Adjustable control arm mounts. What do you have here? An OEM control arm. This is from a 318i. New limiter ball joint. Budget kit. All in all, when you do this, you're going to realize, hey, I should have bought the fucking tubular arms because I spent probably 2 months, 3 months, 4 months getting stuff ready, prepared, over, honestly, years, even just piecing this together because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. When I first bought this, I bought this as just this with a spherical bushing to press into a stock control arm. But then I realized I want more. So I picked up the budget kit for $199 extra. I got the weld on arms, extended tie rod tubes, joint. Then I realized, hey, when I go to put this together, I realized, okay, this joint right here, there was an updated design at one point. So the joint that originally came with the blocks I bought probably 4 years ago is when I bought these blocks with the other bearings I'm telling you about. There was a design change. So the joint that these originally came with were 14 millimeter here, threads. Now they updated to 5/8 threads. So that's what these tubes were. 14 millimeter inside, 5/8 outside. So it wouldn't work on my joints that I had already. So had to order new joints. Come to find out, the spacers were different. Design change. The hole where the pins are for your Ackerman settings, there's the holes up top, but there's holes down here where the spacer has pins it goes into. It changed at some point. So, well, easy enough. I email them. They tell me I can actually drill out those holes. So what I do, I took a 20 bit. I drilled them out. Perfect. Boom. They go in there. They're at the Ackerman setting that's recommended by Chelsea DeNofa. And that's it. I mean, not much else to say. My control arms were welded by a friend. A lot more locked in stock. When it's all the way turned this way, right now it doesn't rub, but since it's in the air, it's binded up right there. See if I can. It's binded up right there. When it sets down, it probably won't bind like that. But it won't. That's a lot of angle to have, and it doesn't rub the frame right there. But it hits the fender. I have to adjust my caster probably, or remove the front bumper. It will hit at turning this way with this angle. It hits the, guess what? It hits the fucking frame, boys. Boom. But if I get some limiters, maybe I can limit it to that much. That's still a lot of angle. So, yeah, I think it's gonna work out good. I don't need a lot of angle. I'm not a pro fucking drifter. I just think this shit's interesting. I love E36s, and this is what I want. I wanted to go this route. People, it's so easy to buy just tubular arms, slap them on, and it's probably honestly better to do that. I probably will do that next. Yeah, my power steering freaking pushed out the top whenever I was messing with the angle earlier. But yeah, it's probably gonna be easier for you to buy the tubular arms if you want to bolt on and go. I wish I could weld. I could have probably got out just a little bit cheaper, but all in all, I think I added it up after the problems and ordering parts I needed that changed over time. I think I added up to be around $800. You can buy the kit for $699 right now. Yeah, I think I added it up. Just a lot of miscellaneous with the welding and stuff. It ended up being around $800. I mean, yeah, that's it. I mean, that's really good angle, honestly. I think it's sick. So I'm gonna need an alignment, of course. I'm gonna need an alignment. I changed my rod height. I raised it about 3/4 of an inch. And that's it. So that is the SLR budget kit. Oh, I guess it was around $800 also because I got the adjustable caster. Yeah. Which right now they're set all the way in. So yeah. I'm aiming for 7 degrees caster, but honestly, looking at it, I'm not sure. It might be a little more than 7 degrees caster, but yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the video. I don't feel like editing and chopping up videos because Sony Vegas sucks. That's the only editing program I have. I'm not doing that. Fuck that. So it's going on YouTube like this. Here's what it is. I miss driving my car. It's been on jack stands for weeks now. And I just got a new house, so I'm getting settled. It looks crazy with that freaking poke in the front now. Holy shit. It's starting to rain. Yeah, the alignment's off. I mean, the wheel's not really turned perfect. Okay, so what I'm saying is, buy the complete kit. It'll be easier on you. It'll save you a lot of headache. And to clarify, I bought the kit as a mini kit. If you go on their website and look, it's just pretty much a race kit. It replaces your outer ball joint with a spherical bearing. You get an extended tube tie rod adapter, the tie rod spherical, and the block. So pretty much I only ended up using the block. I got the kit, I think, for around $300, $325. Bought the extensions for a couple hundred more, and then a few more other things, paying somebody to weld, getting the caster adjustment, lollipops, you know, adds up to around $800. Now it's definitely less than the $1,100 or $1,200 you would spend for the tubular arms, but it's going to be easier on you if you just order the kit. Now, the angle, I'm not sure if it's as good as the super kit. Now, from what I read, it's supposed to be very similar angle to the super kit, if not the same, but the length of the control arms seemed just like E36 arms, maybe a little bit longer. And as you can see from the video you just watched, I still hit the frame when I turn, which is fine. I think that angle is plenty, honestly, for what I'm going to be doing, which is just drifting at the local drift, which is Piedmont Drift, which is fucking fun. I mean, that's plenty. So I can't wait to get out there and drive and stuff. SLR is definitely the way to go, guys. I mean, I've sent them numerous emails with even questions or anything I've had, and they email me back within a day to a week. It just takes some time. Just be patient with them. Definitely go check them out. So yeah, nothing but good things to say. But yeah, keep an eye out. My next video is going to be installing some cheap headers that I got off of eBay or Emusa, which is eMotors USA. They're not quite eBay, but they're cheap headers. I'll probably show a picture right here. And yeah, anyways, guys, thanks for looking at this video. If you do, I'm not sure if anybody will see this, but yeah, please hit the like, subscribe if you want to. Leave a comment. I don't know. Tell me if you see something I did wrong or any advice you got for me on what my alignment settings should be. I have a pretty good idea, but should I adjust my caster back just a little bit so I don't hit the bumper? I don't want to cut anything. I want to keep like OEM parts OEM. I don't really plan on going wide body. So yeah, guys, just thanks for watching. Peace.
Came home late night, yeah. Hugging on my parents tight, told me that they miss me. Followed by another fight, wait. Facebook gram likes, how you doing on the mic? How you doing on the road? I ain't tryna turn no more. Fucking all these hoes, only left me with a bigger hole. Popping pills. every night.